Meet the Ninja Foodi, the world's first and only pressure cooker that crisps. With Ninja's exclusive TenderCrisp Technology. Just place on the pressure lid. Superheated steam pressure cooks food, sealing in juices and infusing flavor for results that are juicy and tender. Next, you drop the Ninja Foodi's powerful crisping lid. It unleashes ultra-hot air with tremendous velocity down and back around food to finish meals off with a crispy, golden, mouth-watering finish.
You need that air crisper. That's the difference. That right there sets the Foodi apart.
Look at chicken in a traditional pressure cooker. Now look at chicken tender, crisp, cooked in the Foodi. How about steak? Or ribs? Which would you rather have? Prepare complete meals all at the same time in one pot. The Ninja Foodi lets you pressure cook entire meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. With the Foodi, you'll never have to wait for food to thaw again. Go from frozen to sizzling and crispy in minutes.
It is easy, it's quick, and the food coming out of it is delicious.
With 8 different functions you control from an easy-to-use touchscreen. There's virtually no limit to the delicious meals you can make with the Ninja Foodi.